You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary like this and clarify more pronunciations, stay tuned. There are different ways of pronouncing it. So let's start with the beginning. You can say phtha at the beginning, F and then th sound with your tongue between your teeth, or just use the tha, just the th sound. Okay, remove the F. This is accepted pronunciation, so that simplifies it. Then it's either Phthalein. Phthalein is one pronunciation, or Phthalein, which is probably the more common. Phthalein. If you say Phthalein, you're fine. It's also accepted to say Phthalein. Alright, so all of those are correct pronunciations, so you probably got it right. Did you used to pronounce it correctly? Which one do you normally use? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.